Welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at Classic Chainsaw here. This is a Stihl 38 AV Magnum. Very powerful chainsaw. This one features a 24-inch bar and chain, sprocket nose, and a skip sequence on the chain. Look at some of the features it has. The master controls right here. Up is off, on, all the way down. All the way down is choke. Side load on the gas and oil reservoirs. Vibration isolation. Falling spike in the front. Chain tensioner lifts the two bar nuts up. Right on the inside here is your tensioner. If you're looking for a great running classic chainsaw, here's a very nice one.